Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and get ready to use with your TradeCopier from start to finish. Okay, so first of all you're going to be on this page, the congratulations for the TradeCopier. You need to download the software. You're going to be taken to Dropbox. Inside of Dropbox you can just click download. Once it's done downloading, then you can start installing. Obviously, I've prepared something earlier, so we don't actually have to wait for it to download. Now, once you've downloaded it, you will see this MSIX bundle. You're going to open it up, and it's going to tell you to install. And we're just going to go with launch when ready. I'm just going to install this. It goes by pretty quick, so we don't need to wait for that long. Make sure you have all your account data ready so that you're able to put that in. So we've got the login window. So in this login window, this is where you put in your username. Mine's Adrian T. We're going to import the password. And we're going to hit remember username and password. And we're going to log. Now, once we've logged in, we need to set up the connections. So I'm going to set up the first connection. This first connection is going to be Apex. I'm just going to give it the name Apex. I'm going to copy my username. I've got this prepared somewhere else. I'm cheating a little bit. I've got my username and password. I'm going to select Rhythmic. I'm going to select Apex. And I'm going to be connecting to Frankfurt. And I'm going to say auto connect connections on startup and then save the connection. We're going to get the disclaimer. We have to accept. We've accepted. Okay, well, I'm going to set up the next connection, and this is fast track trading. So we're going to set up the fast track trading. I'm going to put in the username. I'm going to put in the password. Rhythmic, and they're using Rhythmic paper trading. So I'm going to select Rhythmic paper trading, and I'm going to be connecting to Frankfurt again. And I'm going to connect auto connect on startup. Again, the disclaimer pops up, and I'm going to hit accept. Next, I'm going to connect to Volumetrica. Okay, so I'm just going to name this Volumetrica 1. I'm going to put in my username, my password. I'm going to select Volumetrica, auto connect, and save connections. And accept. And I'm going to set up my second Volumetrica, and the second Volumetrica will be this, and then the password. And I'm going to select Volumetrica again, auto connect and save and accept. And now I'm going to set up a prop shop trader. I'm naming them for the full connection names. You can give them whatever name you want. You don't necessarily have to say Apex 1 and Apex 2. You can give them different names. I just chose to give them that name. Okay, so Rhythmic, and then this is Rhythmic paper trading again, and I'm going to connect to Frankfurt again, and I'm going to auto connect on startup. Now, just so that we don't actually have to connect each of these manually, I'm going to hit save first of all, then I'm going to shut it down, and then I'm going to open it back up. I had it pinned to the taskbar. So I'm going to input my ETP password again. And now it's going to auto connect to all my accounts. Volumetrica connects insanely fast. Okay, so it looks like we're connected to everything. That was quick. So here is where we have all our accounts. These are all our live accounts. And first of all, we need to create account groups. So I'm going to select as the leader account. I'm going to add the leader account, and I'm just going to say group 1. I'm not very good at giving names. And we're going to select the 03 Apex account, and we're going to do 3 fast track trading and 3 PSTs. And we're going to move these over. And then I'm going to add another group, and we're going to name it group 2. And I'm going to select the leader account of Apex again, and I'm going to create the group, And then to this group, I'm going to add the other accounts. Okay. If you ever want to rename a group, you can always rename a group like here. And if you want to delete the group, you can also delete groups there. It's very easy to change the leader account. All you have to do is just click. You can't uncheck the leader account. That's very important. And that's pretty much it. Inside of your accounts, you can see the groups ordered, and then you have the unassigned accounts, and you can always collapse those because you only want to see what you're actually trading from. Okay, so we've got account groups created. We've got everything we need to assign instruments to the accounts. Now I'm going to assign the instruments to the entire group. So I'm just going to do the minis. So MES, MNQ, M2K, M6, MCL, MBT, MET, MGC, MYM, and we should be good. So now we're going to assign it to group 2. And you can see it's been assigned to the entire group. Now that we've assigned all the instruments, you can see that they've been assigned to both groups because I selected both. They've been assigned to both groups. Now we can move back to trading. Now that we have everything set up, we're going to move to the accounts. We're going to see all these accounts. We're going to collapse the unassigned accounts. We need to turn on all of the accounts. So that we know we're able to trade. Then we need to turn copy trading on and it will automatically save the changes. Okay, now let's take a trade on the Apex account and see how it gets multiplied into all other accounts. Now I will reset everything so that my NinjaTrader is going to be showing up properly, and then I'll show you exactly how all this works. Alright, so this is the entire setup. It's a little bit cramped, but I got to see everything. On the top left corner, I've got Prop Shop Trader. On the top right corner, I've got Fast Track Trading. I've got an MNQ chart and an MES chart. MES is set to leader account Apex 04, while the MNQ chart is set to Apex 03. Apex 03 is group 1, Apex 04 is group 2. We've got everything turned on. Copy trading is enabled, so I'm going to sell market.
Order filled.
And I'm going to buy market.
Order filled.
And as you can see, all the data comes in if all the Rhythmic stuff wasn't overlaid. There's a lot of accounts in Rhythmic, so these pop up a lot. Okay, so you can see we're filled on all accounts. We're on negative on both of the trades, which is fantastic. This is what you want to see when someone's demonstrating things. But yeah, and this is how it works. Whenever you change the order,
stop filled.
Oh, well, there you go. We just got stopped out on the NASDAQ. All right, so whenever you change the order, it's going to show up and change in all of your accounts. That is it. That's how you can get from download to install to actually trading and using our TradeCopier. It's that simple. It's a little bit more complex than the previous time, but it's got a lot more functionality and it is a lot more powerful. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video.